Hello everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another invitation for the Look for Less monthly challenge. And if you are new here and don't know what it is, stay tuned because you're gonna wanna know and join in this month. So the Look for Less challenge is a monthly challenge I host every month with a different co-host. Now, I created this challenge because I like to decorate my home and make it look comfortable, elegant, and have that high-end feel, but I don't necessarily have the budget for it. So I like to take inspiration from online high-end stores and recreate those looks myself. So I decided that I would create this challenge for you all. That way you guys can join in and recreate items that you love but don't necessarily have the budget for. My co-host for this month is Kristin K. She does a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs, clean with me videos, declutter videos, and she does shopping hauls. So make sure you check her channel out as soon as you're done with this one. I'll make sure to include a link in my description box below and in the cards above. This challenge is for both YouTubers and non-YouTubers. Now, if you do have a channel, you are welcome to join in because I will have a playlist that you can add your video for your Look for Less project. If you want to join in, there are some rules you need to follow, and here they are. Rule number 1. The first thing is you have 2 weeks to complete this challenge. That means March 21st, 2 Thursdays from now, you will have to have your project completed. There will be a playlist in my description box, that way you can add your videos, and also check out everyone else who joined in on the challenge. Rule number 2, make sure to mention both co-hosts in your video. That's me, the Latina next door, and Kristin K for this month of March. Also make sure to link to our channels in your description box, as well as the playlist link so that your viewers can check out the playlist as well. Rule number 3, it has to be a home decor piece. It could be for any room in the house, as small as you like, as large as you like. It could be a placemat, it could be a vase, it could be curtains, it could be a piece of furniture. That one is up to you. Rule number 4, and perhaps the most important one, we want to see the high-end piece as well as your recreation because we want to see how much the original cost and how much you saved. And that is it. Those are the rules. Again, please make sure to submit your videos March 21st. That is 2 Thursdays from today. If you're as excited as I am for this, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you're going to be joining in this month. Make sure you check out my co-host Kristin K. Okay, you guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, adios.